Hello, welcome back. Now today, what have I got today? Today I've got a dumped McCulloch petrol Strimmer. I found it on the side of the road, so it does look a bit of a mess. So listen up guys, see if it can run. Okay, so this is the one. As you can see, it is a bit of a mess. Just have a look in the fuel tank, and straight away I can see that the fuel line from the fuel tank going into up towards the carburetor is broken. So I strip it down, and well, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put some fuel into the spark plug and we'll see if that works. Okay, so we'll take the spark plug off. Cool. That was on tight. That doesn't look too bad. Okay, I don't need a very much, it's just enough in there just to get it sparking. That's it, that's all you need. Probably even too much. Let's see if it starts. Put it on choke. To fire it in, half choke. Okay, that fires, and so what we do now is we'll just give it a clean up, put new fuel lines in and see if it runs. Remove the air filter to get to the carburetor. I will have to move the take the carburetor off to get to the fuel lines because they're directly underneath on the tank. Oh, that's quite good, as it is. That's quite clean. See, that came off very easy. And if you can see the inside this one, it is terrible condition and it just came off very easy, so I will be changing this one as well. Okay, so we take this off and change the lines. This is the fuel line and filter that came out. I will put a new one on. I'll just replace it as well as the fuel lines. Okay, how I put my fuel lines in is I cut an angle of the fuel line, and because it makes it a lot easier to go inside. Okay, so the fuel lines are on, and I'm just putting this back together now. It was a little bit fiddly at first. Okay. I will put this back on, just so it runs correctly. Oops, that's upside down. We don't want that, do we? Near enough to the top. Now we're applying the bottle, and it's working. Now we'll try and start it. Put it on choke. It wants to go. Throttle. I will now give that a couple of minutes to cool down, and then we'll come back and try that again. Okay, let's give it a try. Now it's cooled down, I've given it a little clean up. So there you have it. All it was fuel lines. I haven't even had to tune it up or nothing like that, and it run. It did take a little cut of balls, but it's done. So new fuel lines, a freebie. I've cleaned it up and I've even tested it out in the garden, and it's even got a full string of wire as well. So what can you say? Good fix. Anyway, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to that to the channel and hit that little notification bell down at the bottom, and then you'll be informed on my next video. So that's all it is from me in this time. Till next time, cheerio.